Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype problem. To know how to find the solution about Skype problem, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will enter to the window of Skype and you will click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.